Alright. And the winning number is 5. Used to be a cold number. Before we just hit it just now, that number 5 was the 5th coldest number. Now it no longer is. So before, if you were hunting for those cold numbers, betting on that 5, here's the 5. Now the number 6 is the 5th coldest number instead of the number 5. So a little upgrade, I guess. One number higher. Here we go. Oh. Let's pull the lever and close the bets. What's that? Is that a lightning? I think it is. 2 numbers, 1327. 13 with 150x and 100x on that 27. Let's see what the wheel has. The wheel says that the ball shall be popping into that 30. Well, can't argue with that. That's a 30. Even and high, 295 winners, and the the top winner, no, wind and freedom, I suppose. Can't see the last few letters. Anyway, 1,230 USD. Cool. Hopefully profit. New round, new money. Oh. 2 numbers here. That's a 3 and a 9. 50x in each of those. Good luck. It was bouncing around that 3, but it lands in 35. So the 35 is the number that we see as the winning number here. So congratulations. What do we got? ASD, the top with 1,400 euros, Sarah with 1,100, 750 for HH, Zoop with 800, and 550 for winners. Alright, 35 is here, 298 winners, and that's gonna be action. Brand new round, brand new money. Are we gonna make it? Perhaps. Yep. Alright, so the best. Nope. Alright, we cool. 432, 50-50. Wish you the best. Let's go. Oh, alright. And the 22. 22 black. Even and high. Vasen zero section. 313 winners. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm out.
High five.
High five?
Yeah.
Alright, there we go.
Good luck to you. Have a nice one. Have a nice last one. And hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Olejo. Gonna be a friendly neighborhood host for the last 40 minutes for tonight. Here we go. Couple of seconds. Batting time is over, and it's time for lightning numbers. 11, 21, and 28. That's the lightning numbers. Good luck to you. Winning number is 6 in red. It's a low, it's an even number. Congratulations to you once again. And here we go. We're going to the next round. So, like I already mentioned, last 40 minutes was you. Good luck. It's time to pull the lever. And the winning number is 12 red. Low even number is the first dozen, and it's the third column. Congratulations. And here we go. So, ladies and gentlemen, betting time started, and you know what to do, right? I remind you about the straight ups. Well, because the straight ups, only straight up space with lightning numbers. So speaking about lightning numbers, guys, we got 2 lightning numbers. It's number 3 and number 35. Good luck. winning number is 24 black. High even number from the second dozen and from the third column. Dima, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. So, ladies and gentlemen, 276 winners on 24 black, and we are going to the next round with the next betting time. I remind you about an option we got here on this lightning roulette. We got autoplay. Whoa, that was... So, ladies and gentlemen, autoplay option. 3 lightning numbers, by the way, 7, 13, and 33. Good luck. Cavabanga, boom, ladies and gentlemen, 279 winners, but mostly important, 123 lucky lightning winners on 33 black. 100x multiplier, congratulations to you. Olinger, the top winner, nicely done to you, and to everyone who got this 100 to 1 payout. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. And winning number is 32 red. Congratulations to the winners. Well, nicely done, guys. I'm lucky. Thank you, Dima. Thank you very much. And you guys are incredible. You know, breathtaking. All of you are breathtaking. By the way, last seconds and good luck. New lightning numbers, by the way. 3 lightning numbers, 2, 23, and 31. Good luck to you. And winning number is 1. We got back 1 red, low number, odd number. First dozen, first column. Congratulations. Ooh. Congratulations to you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you, Tima. Thank you for good words. Well, we got 2 lightning numbers in 3 spins. That's pretty decent. And we are back to basics. So, lightning numbers. We got 12 and 24. Good luck. $32 red is the winning number, 289 winners, and let's go to the next round. Okay guys, let's go. Good luck to you. Yeah, we'll start spinning. Here we go. Yeah? Are you ready? Hope you are. Ladies and gentlemen, lightning numbers. We got number 3 and number 13. Good luck to you, ladies and gents. And the winning number is 5 red. Congratulations to the winners, 265 winners on the low number. Well, that is I'm started. You know what to do, you can place bets somewhere here, there. And the winning number is 19 red. It's the high number, odd number, second dozen number from the first column, number 19. Once again, 301 player, congratulations to you. Ramina, you're the top winner. Well, she's a decent Ramina and 300 other players, congratulations. And betting time already over, so I'm pulling the lever down to announce lightning numbers. We got 3 lightning numbers. We got here 9, we got here 10, and we got 19. Good luck. And the winning number is 35 black. 304 winners, high number, odd number, second column and the third dozen. Well, nice and done, and we are back to the next round. So, like I already mentioned, we'll start spinning. Yeah, it's my last session for tonight. So, you guys, tell me, do you have any plans for this week? Anything great? So, here we go. Lighting numbers. We got 3 lighting numbers, number 3, number 29, and it looks like 35 here. Good luck. This time number 34 red. There's a high number, even number, first column and third dozen. This number brought victory to the 255 winners. Congratulations to you. Are you ready for the next round? I am ready. The wheel are already spinning. I'm ready to pull the lever down to initiate the lightning round. So speaking about lightning round, this time we got 2 lightning numbers. We got a lot of lightning there, number 7 and 27. Wow, 500x. Ooh la la, look at there. And winning number is 14.